Hello, me fixing everything. Because there's always something to fix and to be assembled. Balance bike from Kidland from Kaufland. If you don't know what Kaufland is, like Kaufland, it's a grocery store in Europe. How we can pull it out? I'll just pull it out. That's my second video. I already bought one and was missing some parts. It had only one wheel, and I know it's balanced bike, but still, only one wheel is not enough. So let's see what we got here. I got two wheels, one steering wheel, two of these that go on this side, and what, we don't have a shaft. We need two shafts. I think I'll do it with a piece of rod or something. No, there isn't shafts. How unfortunate. And there isn't a manual as well. So I don't know what I'm assembling. Maybe I need some screws or something like that. What should I do? You know what? I'll take it outside tomorrow and we'll build it, and I'll use the rods so it will be even stronger. Yeah? Good. Okay, so now it's in the vise. Just turn it a little bit if we can. No, not more. I can't do it anymore. So, next part is I'll chop one more thing. I'll drill this so they're M12 as well. Actually, I'll do it and I'll tell. Actually, why not? I'll do it live on camera. Freehand now. Even is the Kaufland bag. She's biting so much. I really hope this wood is strong enough. There we go. Have one part on here, have one on top. So this one on the bottom is doing this, and this one on the top is doing that. So we need a shaft that goes through the middle here, which is for my calipers, which is 6.9 millimeters. I think I have something perfect. Lovely. Is it long enough though? No, it's not long enough. Very unfortunate. Or is it? No, it isn't. Oh, that's so bad. I'm sure we'll find something. I don't want to drill this board. Let me find something. Well, I don't want to drill, but I'll need to drill, right? I'll find something. This one. I think with a washer or two will be very nice. Let's give it a try. Good? Oh, perfect. Just a little bit of clay. Lovely. This one on top and maybe a washer or two. Oh, this big one, huh? Really like this one. Really like it. Let's put a brand new. Should I find a nut that can be undone? You know, the one with the plastic tip on the top. Yeah, let me try to find one. Okay, I got the shaft. Clean the threads a little bit. Now, this one. And then we go, oh, I'll need a little washer maybe. Would not hurt. One washer. Only one. Well, I don't have a big one. Never mind. This will be okay. Yeah, like that. Oh, that's big. Oh no, it's not that big because of the thing on the top. But where it went there? I wanted a big washer on this one, eh? I wanted a big washer and I want to put a big washer. But where did it went? Did it fall on the ground? Anyway, I couldn't find a nut, so I just painted one. I couldn't find a nice looking one, and it's for the top of the bike, so you don't want to be completely ugly. Oh. Let's do the shafts. Again, the same story as the last time. Two nuts, what do you think? On side. I didn't measure this one, but I don't think it's gonna be different because they're trying to save on costs, so it makes sense to make the same nuts and the same wheels, or the same shafts. $80mm. So 80 is with only one nut. We can't have one nut. So what we're gonna have is we're gonna have two washers maybe on each side. See now. I hope you got why I changed direction a little bit. Maybe with two nuts on each side, huh? One more on this side. Because the nuts are too wide, I need to use washers or spacers here. There we go. Just like that. Now, what are we using? No? Oh, there we go. It went out. You can see how much, only how much space I got. Never mind. Good. And now what we're gonna do now? I'm want to have a little bit
of nuts also on the outside.
and we can hope that they're going to hold. Yeah, it will, yeah. It's almost the whole nut and it's wedged into the in its M12 nut. Good. Now, where is this part? I'll tell you, but with all the fixtures, this thing is quite a project. But two of them is quite easy. But without them, trust me, it's not easy at all. What can we do? Actually, I needed to do something. What I needed is a normal washer, just a little bit bigger, and then I will need to use another nut, a bigger size nut. At least one. Because this thing is very long. Yeah, okay. Can you see from there? I think you can. This goes on top. This is sliding backwards and forwards, that's good. And then we got this. Now we're gonna remove the washer from here. This. We have a washer. And no, still not. I'm so tired of undoing it every single time. Maybe that much. Yeah, and then a little nut on top. There we go. And I'm gonna tighten it from the bottom. There we go. And I'm gonna spray some silicone spray so it can move easier, because it's wood in wood. Maybe oh, there we go. Lots easier now. Good. Now for this part, does it have a direction? I don't think so. We will need a few screws, and I have some right in here that I think are perfect. I think they should be perfect. Good. And a few more. And this will be it. Same thing on the other side. It cracked a little bit, so don't go mad. Okay, now the top one. Like this. How thick they need to be? Maybe like this. These are big. And I think I only got one like this one. These are ginormous. How am I supposed to have both like this one? Yeah. I don't have another one like this. Only one. No. Give me a second. What I managed to find is this pretty long one, because it's in wood and they don't want the kit to kill itself. So 5.5 millimeters. No problem. Ten millimeter, okay, 10 millimeter. Do I have a spanner of 10 millimeter? Or it's 13? I think it's 10 or 13. It's 10, of course. Oh, this is almost done. I'm so happy. It's easier to repair cars than trying to gather parts for a balancing bike. Done. Oh, lovely job. Let's see. And you go and brum brum. I think it's gonna love it. How long do you think it's gonna last? I don't know, but I think it's not gonna be a whole lot. Well, that's it. We assembled it. I prefer the metal one, honestly, because this one cracks. Wood cracks. If you leave it in the wet rain, the whole thing is gonna be rubbish after a while. And if you get a metal one, you can leave it for as long as you want. Nothing bad is gonna happen to it. It's not expensive. It's like 17 euros. But for 17 euros you can buy a second-hand maybe metal one. I don't know. Other than that, is nice. I'm sure the kid is gonna love it. But it's a project, so check for the all of the parts inside. Otherwise, you need a whole workshop to make it work and stuff. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. I made a whole mess with drilling this wood here. Yeah. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.